Hi, Mr. O here. I'm going to teach you a little multiplying trick for multiplying by multiples of 10, 100, and even 1000. It's what students in the past have liked to call the zeros trick. So here we go. Because of what you know about place value, you can do this. So if I'm doing 40 times 3, that's a lot of arrays to draw, a lot of rows of 3. But instead, what I can do is just temporarily cross out the 0, do 4 times 3, which is 12, and then what I do is when I have my product, I just put that 0 back on. So now I know that 40 times 3 is 120. I'm going to do the remaining 3 examples so you can get some practice. Feel free to follow along. 9 times 20 is a lot. However, if I just temporarily cross out that 0, I know that 9 times 2 is 18. I know that because I've been practicing my 9s and I've been practicing my 2s. And now I took off 1 0, so I need to put back 1 0, giving me an answer of 180. Now let's up the challenge level slightly. If we are doing a multiple of 100, 300 times 7. Can you imagine drawing an array that big, 300 rows of 7? No thank you. I would rather use the zeros trick. I'm going to cross off 2 zeros temporarily. 3 times 7 is 21. And now I took off 2 zeros, so I need to put back 2 zeros. And now I've got my product, which is 2,100. So I know that 300 times 7 is 2,100. Now to look at a multiple of 1,000, that might be a little bit intimidating, but using this strategy, it's as simple as doing your basic facts. So let's go. We're going to temporarily take off 3 zeros. 2 times 8 is 16. I know some of you are already thinking it. I took off 3 zeros, so what do I put back? 3 zeros. It has to match. And now I have my product, which is 16,000. So this has been a look at using the zeros trick to multiply by multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000. I hope it's been helpful. Use what you've learned to continue your practice